Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in this video I want to show how to plant jade using cuttings. For this I have taken few cuttings from my plant, and I have taken a ceramic pot which is of 4 inches, which is with a drainage hole, and I have taken few Kinder Joy toys for making it a little bit more interesting. So for this first I have blocked the drainage hole with a piece of stone and then filled it with soil which is mixed with compost and a little bit of granules so that it remains loose, and then took 2 stems of jade plant and fixed it. I want to fix it in a different way. I want it to be in an arc shape, so for this I'm trying to fix both the stems in an arc shape. So that first I'm fixing it with very hard at the bottom, and this is the way how it looks. And this jade plant, actually I want to say something about jade plant. It doesn't require much water, but at the same time it requires sunlight. So this way I have fixed tied both the ends, making it an arc shape with a piece of thread, and this is the way it looks, and cut away the extra threads so that it looks neat, and this is the way it looks. Now I want to place some dolls, so for this I have put some granules and then place these dolls, and this is the way how it turns. You can see it, and if you like this, please give a like and please subscribe if at all you are watching for the first time, and please do share the video. Thanks for watching.